Choosing nature vocabulary for kids.
A air, animal, apple tree, ant, bee, bird, butterfly, bush, breeze, sea, cloud, cat, cow, cave, dog, duck, dirt, desert. Earth, eagle, elephant, environment. F, flower, fish, forest, frog. Grass, goat, garden, glacier. Hill, horse. Honey, hurricane. Ice, island, insect. Ivy, jungle. Jaguar, jet stream, juniper. Kangaroo, koala, kingfisher, kelp. Leaf, lake. Lion, lava. Mountain, monkey, moon, moss. Nest, nadi, river. Night, nature. Ocean, owl, oak, orchid. Pea plant, pond, peacock, pine, quartz, quail, quiet forest, quicksand. River, rain, rainbow, rock. Sun, sky, sand, snow. Tree, tiger, thunder, turtle. Umbrella tree, urchin, universe, underwater. Five valley, vine, volcano, vulture. Water, wind, wolf, waterfall. X-ray fish, zero fight, xylem, xenon. Yak, yellow flower, yard, yucca. Zebra, zoo, zinnia, zone. Angry feeling mad or upset. B, brave feeling strong and not scared. C, calm feeling relaxed and peaceful. D, depressed feeling very sad for a long time. E, excited feeling very happy and full of energy. F, fearful feeling scared or afraid. G, grateful feeling thankful. H, happy feeling good and joyful. I, irritated, feeling a little angry or annoyed. J, joyful feeling deep happiness. K, kind feeling warm and caring toward others. L, lonely feeling alone or without friends. M, mad feeling very angry. N, nervous feeling worried or scared before something. O, overwhelmed, feeling like too much is happening at once. P, proud feeling happy about your success. Q, quiet, feeling calm and not wanting to talk much. R, relaxed, feeling free from stress. S, sad feeling unhappy or low. T, tired feeling like you need rest. U, uneasy, feeling not comfortable. V, victorious feeling like you won something. W, worried, thinking something bad may happen. X, xenial, feeling friendly to guests or strangers. Y, yearning, feeling a strong wish for something. Z, zealous, feeling very excited and passionate about something.